Hi, I am Jari, and today Wyatt is trying to kill himself, but it's all right. There it is. There he is now.
Well, guys, this has been a mishap. This is the video of not surfing, but it is the video of feeling very cool. Please subscribe. Every time it will be a different funny hilarious thing.
Wait, aren't you gonna, go down? It's gonna be funny.
Yes, I will.
Okay, but you're giving
Oh,
me
cheese and
you're
crackers.
giving me a bite of that, aren't you?
Yeah, I am.
Okay. Get up here. And now I tell you, steal ice cream from Wyatt. Wyatt Brown can speak Chinese. Well, no, he can't, but neither can I. So I'm just gonna say he can, but he can't. Hey, I'm gonna run over your toe. Ran over your toe. Say ow. Hey, that's good. Let me have another bite.
I don't have any other bites. That's too good.
Good. Chocolate. Chocolate's really good. Hey, Wyatt. Hey, Wyatt. Why? Guess when I moved here? England. I do this act